First, you must turn on the Chromebook. Then, once it loads, press Ctrl D. Once that loads, you have to browse as guest. Then press Ctrl Alt T, and that will bring up the terminal so you can type in the code. And you have to type in shell and then enter. Then sudo *unity and then enter. After doing that, your group is now enabled to use Logger Pro for their data. The items necessary for this lab is a spring scale, a hook, and a wide range of masses to measure from the spring scale. Before you start the lab, it's important that you calibrate the spring scale. You can do this by turning the screw on top and make sure that it's on 0. After calibrating the spring scale, you can now attach masses to the hook and measure the weight. Weight uses a unit of newtons, while mass has a unit of grams. After collecting all your data from the experiment, put it in the table shown above. Use all that information in Logger Pro by graphing that table. Remember, the purpose of this lab is to determine the graphical and mathematical relation between mass and weight of an object. Keep this in mind when answering the questions. A perfect real-life example of this can be found on Earth. The mass that we weighed compared to the weight in newtons is 9.8 meters per second squared, which is the gravity.